Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampingup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today is week 3 of the 7 weeks of Christmas, and today I'm featuring the Humble Home bundle from Stampin' Up. Here it is right here. It's on page 46 of the Stampin' Up mini catalogue. That's the mini catalogue there. The bundle is actually featured on the front page of the catalogue. So cute, right? Now this bundle comes with the punch and the very cute stamp set. I couldn't resist it. I can never resist a punch and a stamp set that coordinate, but this one, just as soon as I saw the front cover of the catalogue, I was like, oh yeah, I have to have that one. So we're going to make this very cute little box. And I've used the base of pecan pie for the box because I felt this sort of looked very gingerbready, and this would look really cute with some little gingerbread in there, something cute Christmassy. I just really like it. So let me show you how to make it. It's very easy. So we're going to bring in a piece of pecan pie cardstock, and I find it, here it is right here, and it measures 6 inches by 3, so you can make a lot of these out of one sheet of paper. And we are also going to have a little wrap that goes around the middle of it, just to bring in a little bit more of that sort of pecan pie type, you know, gingerbready house look. And that is made using the Iconic Celebrations 6x6 Designer Series paper. So let's go ahead and score this one. Now I have put the dimensions in the description bar below, so you don't have to write them down. I'm just going to bring in the Simply Scored tool, and on the long side we're going to score at, just get my notes out here, we're going to score at 1 3/4, 2 3/4, 4 1/2, and 5 1/2. And on the short side we're going to score at 1 inch. Okay, now I have actually scored the wrap, the piece that goes around the middle as well, and it's scored the same way as the long side of this piece of paper here. And I put it down somewhere really safe, and now I don't know, here it is. Put it in the wrong place. So let's go ahead and burnish on our score line. Excuse me while I grab that. Here we go. So let's get that out of the way. So we're just folding and burnishing on all of those score lines. Okay, and with the paper as well, don't burnish it quite so hard because it's only paper. I'm just going to fold it very gently on all of those lines. All right, so it's going to wrap around. I just don't want to tear them. All right, so we've folded and we've burnished. Grab your paper snips next, and we're going to cut off that small square there. So with the 1 2 3 4 5 on that narrow piece right there, we're going to cut away that small rectangle, just a little bit of a wedge in there, and just tie that up. And then we're going to cut up all of these. We're not cutting them off, we're just cutting them up. Okay, cut up, and then I'm just going to pop these ones out of the way, and I'm just going to wedge these larger ones just to help set the box together a little bit easier. Okay, tidy up. Bring in your seal. I'm using Stampin' Seal, and just put some adhesive down that narrow strip right there. Okay, and then all you do is you fold over to match right there. Oops. Okay, so you've got that nice edge right there. There's our little box. Fold in your 2 side tabs, and then I always like to fold my back tab into wherever that seam is right there. So we can put some tape here. Should really be using Stampin' Seal Plus because we are, Stampin' Seal Plus is better on the cardstock, it holds it together, but this was what I grabbed. Alright, so that's our little box made, and it's as easy as that. So it's very, very easy little box to make. Then our little wrap that we've already cut and folded. I love the way this just coordinates so beautifully. And we're going to just put a little bit of tape right on here. Just bring that round, and that's going to be at the back. Whoops. So that little narrow piece there with the tape on it, just wrap it around. Oh, it doesn't. Fingers don't want to work. Here we go. There we go. And that's the little box made with the wrap. Now, if you want to, you can adhere that underneath so it doesn't move, but it's pretty tight on there, so you know, don't really need to. Alright, let's punch out our cute little house. Now here is the stamp. I'm going to bring in a piece of thick basic white, and we're going to stamp 2 of these just with the pecan pie. Oh, just with the pecan pie. I think it's so cute. Oh, I might have stamped that a bit low for the punch. Might have to redo that one. In fact, let's do another one right here. Okay, I think, whoop. It wasn't great stamping. Let's just see how we go. Bring in the punch. The punch has the little square for the windows as well as the cute little heart. Let's just see if this is actually going to work. I might have gone down a bit low. Oh no, it's okay. Alright. So just position it so it's centered. There we go, and then the other one. I always think having a punch is, I mean, I love our Stampin' Up dies, but a punch is so quick and convenient, isn't it? Now, if you wanted to use those little white hearts for something else, go ahead and keep them. I don't need them right now. We are going to punch out a couple of, using some real red, we're going to punch out a couple of hearts, just with a scrap of real red. Pop them away because we don't need them right now. Okay, and now it's just a simple case of adhering the house to the front and to the back of the box. So you've got 2 little houses, front and back. So on my sample here, I actually used adhesive, but a flat adhesive. I didn't use a dimensional. I think it would look quite cute with a dimensional, but let's just go ahead and pop it on with the seal. Get that ink out of the way before it goes everywhere. This one. Okay. So what I'm aiming to do is to start with the pitch of the roof and line it up with the top of the box, and then it's pretty much centered like that. And then the same with this one, line it up, the top, cute. All right, let's get a little mini glue dot for the heart on the back. These are the glue dots that come in our kits, and I never use them all. I always keep them because they're so handy. Put my little heart on the back there. Really like real red and crumb cake pecan pie together. This is a new ribbon, the gold twisted thread. Love it. I have put a link in the description bar below for all the products I've used today, so if you click on them, hopefully you will, you will be able to shop with me. If you live in New Zealand and you don't currently have a demonstrator, I would love you to shop with me. If you live in New Zealand and you don't currently have a demonstrator and you'd like a copy of this mini catalogue or the annual catalogue, please email me, stampingmary, stamping, at gmail.co, and I will send one to you in the mail for free. So little glue dot there, ribbon right there, and then another little glue dot on the top with our little red heart. Let me see if I can get this. I'm just going to cover over that other glue dot. Peel that off, pick up your little heart, and then voila, on it goes. And there you have it. Quick and easy little gift box featuring the Humble Home stamp set. I hope you really enjoyed that video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. Thank you so much and have a really great day. Bye.